Repairing of electric immersion heater. Note, this video is a demo of repairing of immersion heater. If anyone intends to perform this practical, then it will be his or her responsibility, and if so, please take expert advice in presence. Take care, as we are dealing with high voltage. There is a chance of getting electric shock. Okay, today we are going to study about an immersion heater, how to repair an immersion heater, and to understand dismantle it and reassembling the immersion heater. Okay, this is the immersion heater, U-shape molded one. These are different parts of it. This is the terminal housing. This is the strip with the maximum and minimum marks, and this also acts as a earthing strip. And this is a 3-core flexible cord. Okay, let's check the series lamp test. I hope you know series lamp test. Let me try to show something more about the series lamp test. This is my bulb and holder. One point I connected it to the supply, another point via bulb to the as a probe, and I'm connecting another wire from supply to this. So this becomes a series lamp test. Let's check out the with the series lamp test. And you know the series lamp test has performed to check whether this open circuit, short circuit, or leakage and earthing also. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, so series lamp test ready. So we'll check. Okay, bulb is glowing. This is very bright. This is little dim. That means the coil is okay. Let's check for the earthing to the earthing pin and to the body. And you see there is the earthing has been provided. There is earthing. Okay, provided. Let's check for leakage. For leakage, you can take one of this coil, connect to this, or any part of the body, other to the this, or any part of the body. So there is no leakage. Okay, let's try to repair. Only there is no issue as such. Only there is a problem with this bulb not getting on. Let us check. Try to open this your immersion heater. So I'm unloosing the screws. Okay, I removed the upper part. Can keep aside. The screws has to be taken care. Okay, let's keep aside. Okay, now you see this. Oh, this your neon bulb is got disconnected from supply. That's the reason it was not getting on. Okay, we have opened this. You can check now. You see, this is the coil. I think you can see. Okay, the coil is okay. There's no issue with the coil, and this all is about the earthing. Okay, there's some issue with the earthing. I think there's some issue with the earthing. We'll try to. Okay, now it's fine. But there's some issue with the cord. We'll check what is the issue for the earthing. Okay, so we have to make sure that this earthing terminal should have been connected. There's some issue. We'll check later on, or maybe because we have loosened this, there's a disconnect. At the same time, the neon bulb which was kept here was not working. I have removed and put the sleeves to it, which I shall check with the series lamp test. Let's see. Okay, so neon bulb also okay. So we'll try to connect this neon bulb and check for earthing. If it doesn't work, then we have to redo it. Okay. Okay, we have connected this. We have connected here this neon bulb. Let's see if it works. It's the same old bulb. We have just connected it through sleeves and this, which was disconnected, and we have connected the earthing. So let's see. Everything is okay. So you see the heating element is okay. Let's see for the earthing. Yes, there is earthing here. Let's check if there is any leakage. Okay, there is no leakage, so it's fine and perfect. We'll connect it, reassemble it. We'll reassemble it and check again for final part. So assemble it. Let's try to check once more. Okay, fine. Earthing is fine. Let's check for leakage. There's no leakage. That means this immersion heater should work very perfect. We'll check it again. Check. Series lamp is fine. Okay, coil is okay, and I'll check for earthing. Yes, earthing is fine. I'll check for any leakage. Okay, there's no leakage. That means this immersion should work very properly. This is how it can be repaired, reassemble and assemble again, dismantle and assemble again. Okay, thank you very much.